So we got a brand new thing of Pro Mix here, HP. This is what it looks like if you guys are wondering what I use. And this is pretty much all I have. There is nothing else. I used to be able to get some cocoa mix, but not no more. So is what it is, and we're about to get started. Even though this is all that I have available, this is some of the best soil to use. It's really, really good quality and always had awesome results with it. Well guys, we got some things changing up here in the garden. We are going to be finally taking down this light. We've had it for over a year now. It has done an amazing job. Grown some amazing buds with this thing. Cobs, creek cobs, you gotta love them. But we're going to be trying some new lights in here, so stay tuned for that guys. We're taking this down, getting a new garden started. Also taking down the Optic 6 Gen 4 and this entire grow tent. This is the Fusion hut. And this is a weird grow tent. It is a 3.3 by 3.3 foot grow tent, so it is not a good size. I would only recommend this tent size if you're going for a 3 foot but you just want a little bit bigger, a little bit more room. Otherwise it's just better to go with a 4 foot tent. I got a new one coming in here soon. It is going to be a 4 foot by 4 foot, and we are going to be putting another new light in here, taking this one out. So let's get to it guys, take them down. We got some things changing up in this garden. We got a brand new light. We're going to show you that. We got our pots filled up. We got our gardens cleaned out. We got our clones and our seedlings. They're looking pretty damn scraggly. We left them in the Dixie pots, and that's normally not good. But these are all ready to be transplanted up. They're good to go. I'm just doing some last minute changes in the garden and getting some new equipment. And we're getting ready for the big weekend because this is the weekend we're finally doing the transplanting and getting these girls in their tents. They can get started. And let's go right over to that unboxing and show you guys what we got going on in the garden. What is going on guys? Today we got another unboxing for you. Today it is the Slim 500S. This is the brand new beefed up version of the old Slim 480H. This light comes double boxed and packaged very well. What you get in the box is stickers, 2 packs of hangers for the lights, the new beefed up Meanwell driver system with 2 dimmers on it now, and 5 power settings compared to 4 as before. Brackets and master controller cord if you wish to get a master controller in the future. Opening this light up, you can see it has a very nice sleek design, using all Samsung diodes, LM301H, and the new red and blue LH351H. These are the new super efficient bloom enhancers coming out of Samsung, giving you those blues and deep reds. They have efficiency level of 3.1 UMOLs, which is really impressive. These have a new upgraded plug and play feature if you need to replace one of the LED strips. Very easy to unplug them and plug a new one in. Also, the body has been upgraded and now has bigger heat sinks on the back that helps to disperse the heat better compared to the old version. And something to know when you're setting it up, put the dimmer side brackets as close as you can to the end of the light, and the screws will screw into the heatsink fins and hold the driver. Alright guys, we got the new optic LED in here, the Slim 500S. We got it all set up, plugged in, ready to go. Let's take it on its maiden voyage here. Turn this bad boy on. See how she looks. Ooh, she is bright. Gotta love those Samsung LEDs in there. Love that glow it puts off. Super blue. And as you can see here, the one dimmable here controls the blues and half of the white LEDs, the Samsung LM301Hs, and the blue LH351Hs. And then on the other half, let's take those off, turn off the other ones. It controls the other half of the white LEDs and also the LH351H deep red diodes there. So you got dual dimmable ability there. If you wanted to have it on same power, no problem. You can either have it on same power or you can customize it a bit. Depends on what you're wanting. Depending on the growth period you're in with your plants, you can give it more blue during the veg and maybe half the red and crank up the blue a bit more. And for flower you would want more red than blue, or you could just have it on the same power as both and just keep it simple, and then you don't have to worry about the spectrums and stuff. But you got the options for if you're a more intermediate grower or if you're a more beginner grower and you want things just simplified, you can do that as well. So this is what it looks like here. I think this is on full power. Oh no, that is full power there. All right, that is on full power. This is a crazy bright light. These lights are designed with a very nice sleek design, and making these lights look good is put into the thought of designing these lights. So now I'm going to show you guys how the master controller works with this light. First you need to plug it into the port here, and this PWM toggle here, you need to flip it over to the side, and there you go. So now I have control of it with the master controller. But if you first get it, you will need to go to the system setting and put on 2 channels. So I go into the system set, and it has channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. This is only a 2-channel light. The 650S is a 3-channel light, so you'd use 3 for that. But for this one, you only use the 2 channels. You just select them, go back, and then you have complete control of the red side and the blue side. So let's turn on the blues, dim those up, dim them down. Now we're going to do the red side here. There you go. And if we want both, boom, turn on the blues too with the reds. Very easy to set up, and you got touchscreen control, and instead of 5 settings you have complete control, 1 to 100% of the power, so that is very nice if you want a bit more control. So I'll show you guys the sunrise sunset feature here. It's going to run through a little test demo here. Show you guys. Let's just slowly dim up here and dim back down. It's reaching the highest point, getting brighter and brighter, and now dimming down. And you can set these points throughout your day, mimicking the sun. Boom, there you go. So that's a little demo with the master controller there. So let's get up and close and personal with these lights while they're on and show you guys a little zoom in here. Hope you guys liked this unboxing and review. That is it for now, guys. I cannot wait to get started on growing with this light. We're getting this new grow series underway right away. I believe today we're planting these. I just needed to get this light up. Hope everyone out there on Team Optic has a great day. Happy gardening, everyone, and peace out. Catch you guys later.